Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Jansi Bhupendra Pula from class 11th A would like to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. We all know that India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day. Before expressing my thoughts, I would like to share a small quote in Hindi. अन्ना देश की शान देश की, अन्ना देश की शान देश की हम संतान हैं, देश की हम संतान हैं, तीन रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है, अपनी ये पहचान है. Independence Day is the most memorable day of the India in history. India got freedom from the British rule after 200 years of long struggle and fights. It is a day to celebrate our freedom by paying a tribute to the great freedom fighters who have showed immense love, bravery, sacrifices and patriotism to save the motherland and gifted us the beautiful India. Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Lal Bahadur Shastri are some revered freedom fighters in India. After freedom, Indians got all the basic rights and whatever human needs for the nation and the motherland. People celebrate this day by hosting a national flag and singing and reciting and singing the national anthem. India is our motherland and we are the citizens of this country. This is our responsibility to lead our country in a superpower and make it as best as we can. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
First of all, a very happy Independence Day to all. On the tantalizing morning of this precious day with the patriotic fervor and pride, Independence Day 2021, India as a country celebrates its 75th Independence Day of this year. India for operations by British colonies for 200 years as they took control over the country in 1757, following their victory at the Battle of the Plassey.
British rule in India began in 1757 when following the British victory at the Battle of Plassey, the English East India Company began exercising control over the country.
Long year ago, great Indian leaders were made a treaty with the dignity to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrifice their comfort of life. We can only remember them and their dates and make a hereditary salute.
History is an open chapter. It tells us about the sacrifices of our forefathers for this land. This freedom owes itself to our great leader Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He never compromised the right of people. He sacrificed each and everything and supported the cause of independence. And this independence owes itself much to the sacrifice to other leaders as Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Rajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad and many more.
This day holds significance in heart of every Indian citizen that lives in India and abroad. On August 15, 2020, we would have completed 73 years of our freedom and as the year marks 74th Independence Day of our country.
On this great occasion, citizens of our country host a tricolor flag and saluted. Many marches done by soldiers and salute to our nation. On this day, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi host India flag, our Indian national flag, and in New Delhi at Red Fort. We are proud to be an Indian citizen. Patriotism for every Indian, for our nation makes
खलिहानों ने, हरे मैदानों ने, बरसती बेलों ने, चुभती बेलों ने, लचकते झूलों ने, महकते फूलों ने, चटकती कलियों ने, और पूछा है गाँव की गलियों ने कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, देखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये गाँव सोना सोना है। कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, देखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सोना सोना है।
आरे ना नरे नरे ना नरे 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 ना ऐ वतन मेरे वतन तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद